So you've been with Forum since you started your journey, and today, as you finish, you were in MGP 2024. So despite, and there's so much noise on the internet to do this and that, and so many strategies, then how were you able to maintain that sanity as well as sticking to chalo ki I have decided to do Forum and I'll do it very well? Because currently we are seeing a lot of young people, they are not writing tests, they are not practicing enough, they are doing everything else except what is needed to clear this exam, that is doing a good answer writing practice. So how did you stick to the basics, that is just follow the MGP program and then read the solution, see proper copies? How did you keep yourself away from all the noise and stick to your plan?
So I credit Forum IS for providing me the year-long test series that helped me in firstly making the notes, then organizing my notes and preparing it in structured manner. So in the year-long test series, they provide you with the sectional tests. So before every test, they would provide you with the syllabus, that this is the syllabus and the question would be asked only from these topics. So I used to ensure that before approaching the test, I am done making the notes of all the micro topics. So that I used to do, it helped me in that. And apart from giving the tests, I think this, in my 2024 attempt, I joined the test series in which 12 tests were there, 4 for each GS paper, thrice. But I gave only 8 tests. I relied more on daily answer writing. So for example, if I was feeling that my ethics answers are not improving, no matter how much I'm trying, so I would write daily 5 answers, no matter what happens. कुछ भी हो जाए, syllabus complete नहीं हो रहा है, if I'm not able to do all my GS papers, other GS papers, बाकी का syllabus complete नहीं हो रहा, but I used to ensure कि मुझे अगर लिखना है तो मुझे लिखना ही है, and I think that was helpful because if you're writing something on a daily basis, you would get a hold on it and you will realize कि इतना tough नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे थे. और स्पेसिफिकली इफ़ यू ट्राई, जब आप एक बार ट्राई करते हैं किसी फुल लेंथ टेस्ट सीरीज को अटेम्प्ट करने का, देन यू आर इन अ वेरी परफेक्शनिस्ट मोड कि जब सब कुछ हो जाएगा तब वी विल ट्राई, बट दैट डजंट हैपन, दैट डे नेवर कम्स. सो डेली आंसर राइटिंग इज द की दैट हेल्प मी, एंड फोरम वॉज देयर बिकॉज आई थिंक द क्वालिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वॉज वेरी गुड एंड द syllabus and micro points were very helpful for making me my holistic note making.